Hi guys, okay, so we are now on day 28 of Vlogist, which is mental. I can't believe I've actually managed to do a video, 28 videos, including this one, up until this point. I really was slightly unsure about myself, so well done me for doing this. I wanted to talk about why I bothered to do it and why I have been so open and shared things that are really quite personal, and especially the things that have been going on in my world over this last month, why I have decided to share that with you guys, with YouTube, with the world, and why I've documented things in magazines and allowed press into what's going on as well. I know not everybody will understand that, and not everybody would find that useful at all. Some people this would be like horrific. Bear in mind that from being really young, my world has been in front of the camera. I started on television when I was 11 years old, so being in front of a camera isn't a weird thing to me, first of all. And documenting things, for me, perhaps it's a way of making sense of it all, and that I feel that maybe if somebody can learn from our journey, and if somebody can take comfort in how we are dealing with things and how we live our lives, and something can be learned from the shit, tough stuff, then it seems like there's a point to stuff. I know I've been speaking to a few journalists over the last few months, and a few have asked me, like, do you get comfort in other people's messages and comments and things like that? And definitely there's that, knowing that there's an overwhelming support and your lovely comments and messages and emails and things like that, and yes, it's wonderful. And what it does for me is it tells me that what I believed anyway is that people are good overall. Inherently we're pretty good people, and we naturally want to support people, which is a good thing. And that of course makes me feel like, yeah, people are good. I knew I was right on that. I knew I believed in you for the right reasons. But I don't necessarily, I have a great support network for me in my family. We have a huge support network and an amazing family and friends around us. So I already have that support regardless of things being out online. But I do get a real sense of there's a point in stuff when I get messages from people going through a similar thing, or that they've taken something from the things that I said and it's helped them to cope with something, whether it's, cancer, or whether it's being bullied at school, or whatever it is. You've been able to take something and go, yeah, I can implement that in my life. That makes sense to me. That seems to me as like that's a point in doing something. So I think there's a level of like the comfort in documenting things, and maybe for me to look back on, and maybe for the children to look back on and go, okay, that's how we felt in that moment, and to make some sense of it. I'm sure there's an element of the actor in me which is ingrained, and when you are that mindset, it's there. So I'm sure there's that level of I cope with things by being on camera. I don't know, maybe there's some psychologists can look at that, but I genuinely feel like good can come of bad, and that's the main focus, that some good can come of some understanding of cancer, understanding of human mindset, and that's what I do. I work with people on their mindset and how to bounce back from adversity or just life stuff. Life's tough every day anyway for people, life's a challenge. So that's why I do it, and there's nothing more than that. If nobody takes anything from this, then it's just stuff that's out there on the internet, and that's it. And there's no worries in that. It just is what it is. And maybe it'll be something for the kids to look back on, for me to look back on and go, what the hell were you talking about, you mad old fucker? But if nothing else, then that's it. So yeah, I just thought I'd talk about that. I really value everybody's opinions on, they send me lovely things and lovely comments and messages, and I really value that. It's important. And this time has again been another challenging time for me to learn about my own mindset and to learn about other people's and how other people cope with things, and I'm fascinated by it. Like, truly, I love learning about why we think certain things, how we can shift our mindsets. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm constantly learning. I've just finished another course. I'm now an advanced laws of attraction practitioner. I love it. I love to know why we do certain things and how we can just live a happy life every day, and I want to be able to help other people do the same. So that is my focus, that is why I'm doing it. If you don't get it, that's cool, and if you do, even better. And yeah, things are all good. Ross is doing really well. There's nothing more to sort of chat about on that thing yet. Next week we'll be seeing the oncologist, and we'll be working next stage, what the next treatment is, chemo, radio, what we do next. And yeah, we'll know more then. But right now we're good, we're happy, we're about to have cheese toasties. All is good in the world if there's cheese toasties about. Speak to you all soon.